And welcome to the Cyber Research Hub channel, where you will learn everything related to the cybersecurity, information technologies, and the computer. Contents cover a wide range of topics, including practical tutorials on the latest cybersecurity tools and techniques, in-depth exploration of computer science concepts, and insightful discussion or emerging trend in the field. Are you interested in pursuing a career in the cybersecurity or the computer science research? So we have got you covered with guides on how to kickstart your journey, scholarship opportunities, and tips to navigating the academic landscape. So whether you are looking to enhance your technical skills, stay updated with the latest industry development. So the Cyber Research Hub is your one-stop destination for all things related to the cyber and the computer science. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell to stay informed about our latest uploads. Join our growing community of learners, researchers, and professionals as we explore the exciting world of cybersecurity and computer science together. Thank you very much.